What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2012 Vulcan Voyager. It is a 1700. It's got the 6-speed, and if you're watching this video, you're probably interested in this particular bike. So we're gonna walk around this thing so you can see it up close and personal. There's all that. We're gonna start here in the back. See your rear tire. Rear tire is good to go. Got plenty of life left on that bad boy for inspection. There's your exhaust there. There's your turn signals and tail light. Up here you got the tour pack in the back. Got the Vulcan Voyager badge there. Got the antenna here. We'll come around the side. Everything up here, everything on this bike is really nice. A little smudge mark right there, it's just dirt, came right off. We'll open up the tour pack so you can see that. There you go. That locks too, right there. We got here on the side, brush that little spider off. Bags are looking good. Yeah, not a lot to report there, which is good news. There's the exhaust. The exhaust looks like it's in nice shape. There is like a smudge mark right here. I want you to see that. Not sure what that's from, but it is there. There's the side panel. Here's your passenger floorboards, rider floorboards. Got the rear brake. See everything in here in the motor. It's all in nice shape. There's that. Cruise on the side of the tank, so you can see the tank up close. Tank's looking like it's in nice shape. Got your Vulcan Voyager badge there. There's one little white mark above the badge there. Here you can see your foot fairings. These do have the air dam, slide back and forth. There's crash bars. Here's the front fairing. There's the front fairing. Headlight, auxiliary lights. You get your turn signals here too. In here in the fork tubes, you can see them. They're in nice shape. No rust or marks or anything. No pitting or any of that. A little bit of road dirt there, but that's just that. It's been ridden. So you got your dual disc brakes up front. There's the brakes on the other side. Here's your wow. There's that. Front fender. Fender was escaping my mind there. There is two little marks right there. It might be a little difficult to see there. You can kind of see them in the sunlight a little bit at my pointer finger. Front tire is about the same shape as the back. Good to go. Looking here on the fork tubes on this side. Also in nice shape. There you can see that black front wheel in there. See this side of the front fairing. Sorry about that. Alright, camera mount got a little crazy. There's your lower fairing, there's your crash bars. There's your rider floorboard here with the shifter. You get the toe shifter and the heel shifter. A little bit of rust starting in here on this piece. Not sure why, because it's really not anywhere else in the bike, but it is there. Again, there's these air dams that I was talking about. On the other side is a 6-speed with the Vulcan V-Twin 1700 there. Close to the motor so you can see all of that. It does have the battery tender on it. That's a nice little feature. There's your passenger floorboard. There's that side cover. I think this has a lock on it. That might even be the, maybe it's just the battery. I'm not sure actually. There's your side bags in here. There you go. There's that. The other one looks exactly the same. I did not open that one, but it is in the same condition. We already did the back, so we'll jump up here to the seat. Got the passenger backrest, and you got your speakers here and here. Nice big comfy passenger seat. Nice big comfy driver seat. A little bit of dish here for your back. Come over with the tank. There's that. Over here are the controls. And you get your clutch and your high beam, low beam, horn, turn signals. Get your volume for the radio, tuning for the radio, sequence. There's your mirror there. Come across these bars over here to this side. Same thing, same with the controls. Get your throttle, front brake, kill switch, 4 ways, starter, mode for the display. Get your cruise control on and off there. There's all that. There's all the gauges, kind of like that retro look. I'll turn them on. You can see them sweep. Bike has 30,139 miles. There'll be a few more after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive that Sean does. It should be up on YouTube. This is a nice bike. Definitely don't want you to miss out on it. Here you can see the Kawasaki in there on the radio. Let's start this thing up. There you go, that is that. Let's make sure these turn signals work. There's your front signal on that side. Front signal on this side. Go back in the back. There's your rear signal there. And the rear signal there. Alright guys, like I said, this is a 2012 Vulcan Voyager 1700. Do not miss out on this bike. We price to sell, and thanks so much for watching.